Are you ready to lead the charge in the cloud innovation? Whether you are a business employee, IT expert, or a developer, Cloud Digital Leader Certification Bootcamp is yours fast track journey to mastering Google Cloud and driving digital transformation. So first of all, if you are new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel for more such amazing learning opportunities and videos. So first of all, this bootcamp is led by Google and Jellyfish Training Team. Jellyfish Training Team is North American Partner of the Year of Google Cloud, and it will give you skills to ace the cloud digital leader and unlock new opportunities. So basically, in this Cloud Digital Leader Bootcamp, we will learn about the digital transformations and many more things. So let me show you what we will be learning in this. So as you can see, in this bootcamp, you'll learn about digital transformation, essential cloud infrastructure, Google Gen AI offerings, innovating cloud AI offerings, and many more things. This bootcamp is very much ideal for business and IT employees. Apart from these, developers too can take part and register in it. So the bootcamp will consist of training designed to give you in-depth knowledge about the cloud products and services. It is self-paced and combined with Googlers led training. Basically, there will be live sessions when they will teach about the cloud learnings, etc. And with this initiative, you will getting a free certification voucher to ace the exam, that is 100% free voucher. So first of all, let me show you how you register. Click on register and enter your email. You have to enter the email here, then click on next. Now here you have to enter your first name, last name, company name, work email. So just enter like this. And you can enter the work email. If you don't have a work email, try to enter the email which you just entered, and let's see whether it works or not. So just enter the email. Here you have to enter the job title, that is whether you are an employee, developer, and then select your country. Select the country where you are located and just scroll down and just click on yes and then submit. So once you submit, you will get a confirmation email that they are processing your registration, and once you are accepted, you can continue the journey. Now if you are new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel, and check the other playlists if you want to participate in the Google Cloud Arcade campaign. So thank you guys, have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe.